Sorry, I haven't posted in 4 days. Yeah. I actually forgot to post. So yeah, for absolutely no reason, I'm just gonna play Gary's Nextbots. Gary's Nextbots. For absolutely no reason. Absolutely no reason. If it's the subway, it's actually not the subway for once. Where's everyone? Where did everyone go? Where did everyone go? Where did everyone go? Okay, well, I don't know where everyone went. Well, I'm just gonna go to shop. What's those like glowing things? I don't know. Oh.
Shut up,
What are you doing? What are you doing to him? That's weird.
I'm waiting for him to wake up.
You're waiting for little bro to wake up? Dude, just wake him up.
Wake up. I'm trying to wake him up.
Nah, bro, that does not look good.
What? That's your sister. Hello.
How much money do I have?
Hello.
How much money do I have? Oh, 1,000. I'm not gonna shop right now. I have 1,000 money.
Wake this person.
What should I buy with 1,000 money?
No,
They woke up.
They woke up.
They woke up. 1,000 money.
They woke up.
Also good.
They woke up.
I don't know what I should buy with 1,000
Door. I got it. Smash.
Oh, in here. Let's see if there's anything that I want for 1,000 monies.
Oh no, there's a skin item. Those skin items. Dude, it's a Christmas skin item.
Bro. It's just me, bro.
If you want the snow gun, I can still grind for you.
Hey, bro, that's my girl.
Yeah.
That's my girl.
Take me away from him. Get me away from him.
Oh no. Nah, I'm broke. Oh no.
4,000. Wait, let me check off the blood test.
Oh my gosh.
No, 4,000 something. Hold on, let me check.
Man, that's gonna be my girl. I'm gonna have a girl. I'm gonna have a girl, bro. Give me my girl. Give me my girl. Hey, you. Give me my girl. Your car?
No, I don't want to get in the car.
That's gonna be my girl. My car. You want it with me?
Ow, it's in my head.
No. Oh, thank you. Hey, bro.
Guys, dude. Oh my gosh, you scared me so bad.
I am scared. I don't have that.
Wait a minute, how did you do that? How did you get that car?
Bro. Okay.
You wanna go grind, please?
Okay. I'm done, bro. I'm gonna actually like. I want to poop in my pants before he has even a bigger forehead. Okay, where is everyone? Yeah, there's actually people in my lobby.
This is so
Oh my gosh, there hasn't been anyone in my lobby for like one time. I'm gonna poop in my butt. Holy crap, don't go here, bro. Why do they run so fast? Why do they run so fast?
It's easy. He's always if you just keep moving, whatever light once you easy in an open space, you just lose it. I don't. Once he's easy in an open space, you can just loop him. I don't always lose so fast.
Oh, you get too much. You're so easy.
She has no middle name.
Why are you chasing me? While I talk to you? This goddamn says what you motion. Angry bird. They egg with me all over.
I'm the one that told them. I'm the one that
Ow, my arms hurt.
I win.
Second place.
That's it. Why did they got like 842 points?
Yeah, let's do back rooms.
Yeah, I'm gonna spawn glitch.
Ooh, Mace sounds good, bro. Mace
I need one more level for What does glitch do? What does glitch do? Very scary.
Oh yeah, the very scary. I am gonna spawn it. This is next.
Oh yeah, OG Blue. The best map in the game.
Some little kid was like, what are you guys doing for Christmas Eve today?
I have to wait 10
And then
minutes.
this little kid was like, what?
Someone else spawns glitch.
And I'm like, I think you have to go check your calendar.
Someone spawned glitch.
And I said, no, it's Wednesday. He was like, no, it's not, it's Tuesday.
You're dead.
And I'm like, what? Can you please go check your calendar?
You just jumped up.
I think you have to go back to
Man, why is Taco Bell in here?
Pancake.
I can do that.
Bro, what? Someone else
Take that glass.
Oh, why is no one else in this
Oh my gosh! I'm going to crash out if I get
somebody spawned blood
like a jump scare. Easy. Totally easy. I'll Taco Bell Whopper Junior. The wrong song.
Bro, you should have
Oh,
done
it's Blood Moon, bro. It's Blood Moon.
Bro, you should have done glitch. That would have been better.
Chicken fatty Whopper. I'm going to slap him in the face with a telephone. When he doesn't see that coming, I'm going to slap him with and now I'm going to duty on him. Double triple Whopper. Bro, I know. You don't have to walk to me and say, giggity do, just come follow me if you want out. Bro, I already know.
I don't care. You're just crashing
Hi
out.
Taco Bell guy. Oh! Hey, are you a monster? Yeah, I think you are. Buddy, you're the size up there. No, stop. I don't want to get jump scared. And then he's like, But I don't know how it goes. I forgot. You're trying to get me now, but yay! No more blood moon. The round has ended. Now let's go drown myself.
Oh god.
Oh no, I forgot I'm allergic to water.
Oh yeah, I got third.
Dun, 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 dun.
Subway. No, I'm just kidding. Subway sucks.
Nah, I don't really like
What
that
is
one.
absurd? Oh wait,
I
I've
want
seen absurd
desert.
before. Never mind.
If it's desert, I'm actually gonna scream.
I hate.
I'm not even.
Absurd is fine.
Wait, no,
It's
I meant
whatever.
65. Okay, if it was a ski mountain, I would scream. So,
Ruin the consonant. K-O-S-N.
speed faster. What?
Consonant.
What the hell?
Name you can trust.
I'm not even doing anything. I'm just.
I hate skiing, bro. Okay, I only like skiing in Animal Company, but not freaking Danny's Nextbots, bro. And by the way, I have to run. Just do this and start running. Oh my, bro, see, this is why I don't like this map. I feel bad for that guy. The guy who got stuck on like that, on that one jump. I feel bad. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be me next.
Guys, I beat the system.
Dog, I just said I feel bad.
I lost the system.
Bro, we both made it out, but like, bro, we're not gonna make it.
Suck at this.
I'm gonna tag you. I'm gonna tag you. Gotcha. Oh, freak. Why is it not working?
Oh, come on, I can do it. I'm Sigma, and I'm a boy.
Blood is not Albert Einstein, bro. My name is not Albert Einstein. For real, since I hate the ski map, I'm just not going to go. And I'm just going to go on my calculator and start moving.
Bro, we were so close.
What's this Diddy boy doing on
Why
his
did we get stuck
calculator?
there? Anyways, I beat it.
Yeah.
Woo.
Is that a nuclear bomb?
Nextbots here.
Holy crap!
Monkey's World.
I'm gonna ski
Or
all the
Monkey's
way back
Realm.
up. I'm skiing back all the way up.
Actually, Monkey's World.
That's what I'm doing, bro.
Okay, well, that's all I got for this video. I'm gonna record more.